ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಎಂದರೆ ದೀಪಗಳ ಹಬ್ಬ. ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಎಂದರೆ ನೆನಪಿಗೆ ಬರುವುದು ದೀಪಗಳು, ಹಣತೆಗಳು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ದೀಪಾವಳಿಯನ್ನು 3 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ದಿನ ನರಕ ಚತುರ್ದಶಿ. ನರಕ ಚತುರ್ದಶಿಯಂದು ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ನರಕಾಸುರನನ್ನು ಸಂಹರಿಸಿ ವಿಜಯ ಸಾಧಿಸಿದ ದಿನ. ಅಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೂ ಪ್ರತೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರು, ಮನೆಯ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಸಣ್ಣವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಎಣ್ಣೆಯ ಒಂದು ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಸ್ನಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಪೂಜೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. 2ನೆಯ ದಿವಸ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಪೂಜೆ. ಅಂದು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಪೂಜಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಸುಖ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. 3ನೇ ದಿವಸ ಬಲಿಪಾಡ್ಯಮಿ. ಬಲಿಪಾಡ್ಯಮಿ ದಿವಸದಂದು ನಾವು ಬಲಿಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ದಿನ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿಷ್ಣು ವಾಮನಾವತಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ದೈತ್ಯ ರಾಜನಾದ ಬಲಿಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಸಂಹರಿಸಿದ ದಿನ. ಬಲಿಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಭಾವಶಾಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಷ್ಣುವಿನ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಭಕ್ತನಾಗಿದ್ದ. ಅವನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ವಾಮನ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿಷ್ಣುವು ಬಂದು 3 ಪಾದಗಳು ಇಡುವಷ್ಟು ಜಾಗವನ್ನು ಭಿಕ್ಷೆಯಾಗಿ ಕೊಡಲು ಕೋರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಗ ಬಲಿಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿಯು ಆಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ವಾಮನರೂಪಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಒಂದು ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಆ ಭಿಕ್ಷುವಿಗೆ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು ಒಪ್ಪುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಗ ವಾಮನರೂಪಿಯಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿಷ್ಣುವು ದೈತ್ಯಾಕಾರವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು 1 ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದೇವಲೋಕದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟು 3 ಪಾದವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಲಿ ಎಂದು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಬಲಿಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿಷ್ಣುವಿನ ಅವತಾರವನ್ನು ಅರಿತು ತನ್ನ ತಲೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡಲು ಕೋರಿದ. ವಾಮನ ದೇವರು ಆಗ ಬಲಿಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿಯ ತಲೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನನ್ನು ಪಾತಾಳ ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳುಹಿಸಿದರು. ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ದಿನ ಬಲಿಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಾಣಲು ಕೋರಿದ. ವಾಮನ ರೂಪಿಯಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಒಪ್ಪಿದರು. 3ನೇ ದಿವಸದಂದು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಲಿಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಿಂದ, ಬಹಳ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಿಂದ ದೀಪಾವಳಿಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ದಿವಾಲಿ ಟು ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. Deepavali is celebration of lights. It is festival of lights. It's Diwali. Deepavali is usually celebrated in the mid of October and November. It is usually celebrated in the month of Kartika Masa. Deepavali is victory of the good over the evil. Deepavali is victory of the light over the darkness. Deepavali commemorates the return of Rama to Ayodhya from Sri Lanka after 14 years of exile, that is Vanavas, and after killing Ravana. Deepavali is celebrated all over the country by various religions. It is the celebration of joy. It is celebration of victory. It is celebration of lights everywhere. Deepavali, as we all know, celebrated by Hindus, commemorating the return of Lord Rama from Vanvas. It's also celebrated as the victory by Lord Krishna after defeating and killing Narakasura. Deepavali is also considered to be the celebration and worshipping of Lord Dhanvantri, who is the physician or the doctor of all the gods. Deepavali is also a symbol of worshipping of Lord Hanuman. It's also worshipping of goddess Lakshmi. Deepavali is also celebrated by Jains as a symbol, a great event of Lord Mahavira attaining the eternal bliss called Nirvana. Sikhs celebrate during Diwali as Bandi Chor Divas to mark the release of Guru Hargobind from Mughal Emperor. Newar Buddhists celebrate Diwali by worshipping Goddess Lakshmi. Diwali is celebrated in Karnataka for 3 days, later in Maharashtra for 3 days, but in few northern states of India, it is celebrated for 5 days. Day 1 is celebrated as Dhanteras Day. On this day, we worship Shri Dhanvantari God, who is considered to be the doctor or the physician of the gods. He is the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. It is found to be auspicious to buy gold, silver and vehicles on this great day. On the second day, we do celebrate Naraka Chaturdashi. On this day, Lord Krishna defeated and killed Narakasura. This day is also celebrated as Choti Diwali, a day prior to the main Diwali celebration. It is also the day where Hanuman is worshipped. Third day is the Lakshmi Puja. Goddess Lakshmi, who is the goddess of wealth, fortune, prosperity and embodiment of beauty, is worshipped. She is worshipped as Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati and Mahakali along with Lord Ganesha. Fourth day is the Govardhan Puja. Krishna defeated Indra and saved the Gopalakas by lifting the Govardhanagiri on this day. So, people in UP, Bihar, Haryana, MP and Punjab observe Govardhan Puja. In Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, it is Balipadyami, and in Maharashtra, it is Padwa. Fifth day is Bhai Dooj. It is also called as Bhai Tika, Bhai Beej or Yamadvitiya. It is believed on this day, Yamuna, sister of Yamraj, offered prayers and was on fast for the well-being of her brother Yamraj. So on this day, sisters pray for long and happy life of their brother. Deepavali is the time to forgive and forget the wrongdoings of all others in our life. It is the time of enjoyment. It is a time of festivity. It is a time of friendliness and joy. Waking up at Brahma Muhurta, taking oil bath after few shastras performed by elders of the house is nothing but a great way of discipline with respect to health, ethical discipline and spiritual advancement. Rangoli or Rangavalli is seen with all colorful designs and diyas in front of every house. Why Deepavali is celebrated exactly 20 days after Dashera festival? It is believed that Sri Ram took 20 days and 14 hours approximately to travel from Sri Lanka to Ayodhya after killing Ravana. A word of caution, a sincere request from me. This pandemic has created havoc everywhere. I do request each and every one of you to please take care of yourself. Please take care of others. Avoid social gatherings. Maintain social distancing as much as possible. Become aware of the situation. Use mask and gloves wherever necessary. And a sincere request, a final request from each and every one of you. Let's make this Diwali a different one. Let's bring about little change in someone's life. Let's get a smile on their face. That little change what we do will be the world to them. It will be a complete new Diwali to them, a complete new life to them. Let's promise ourselves to bring about a small change, a small smile, a small deed, good deed, which can change someone's life. Wish you all a happy, happy Diwali. Stay safe, take care, love you, and see you soon.